Welcome to Anaya's recipes. Malai Fried Qeema. We are using beef mince. Add milk in Qeema beef mince. Add dry green chili. Add black pepper. Add garam masala, hot spices. Add oregano. Add crushed chili. Add dhania powder, coriander powder. Add salt to taste. Add adrak and lasagne paste, ginger garlic paste. Add dahi yogurt. Add baking soda. Add baking powder. Add oil. Add fresh cream. Mix it well. Add corn flour. Rest it for 1 hour in the fridge. After 1 hour, add the marinated minced Qeema in a dry pan. Cook it on medium flame. Dry all the water from our mince. You can give coal smoke for flavor. Your Malai Fried Qeema is ready to serve. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and comment.